Hey everyone, let's talk about how to use Kayak Business Travel feature. So let me tell you guys, Kayak for Business is a free subscription-free corporate travel tool that simplifies booking, expense tracking, and policy compliance for small and medium-sized businesses. It also allows teams to book travel from hundreds of sites, enforce company guidelines, and manage itineraries in one hub. So to use Kayak Business Travel feature, you can start by setting up your company. Just go to one of your web browser, for example, Google Chrome or Safari. Then search for Kayak for Business. Then go to the website and then fill in the credentials. Once you fill in the credentials, just follow the on-screen prompts and complete setting up your account. Once you complete setting up your account, navigate to the admin hub, then go to user management and then go to users to invite colleagues and assign the roles like admin, travel manager, travel or travel arranger depending on who needs booking or approval permissions. Then go to the corporate travel policies page to establish spending limits for flights and hotels. You can customize rules based on specific teams, routes, or seniority. Now, while using this feature, first what you can do is while booking the travel, simply search for flights, hotel, or rental cars and select the options that fit your company's policy. If you are an admin or a travel manager, just tap your name in the top right corner, then select book for a colleague and enter their name. Then plan your entire trip and use the card booking feature to check out all trip elements simultaneously, automatically syncing everything to a single itinerary. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.